Meanwhile, let's also focus back on Idea numbers. And if I just look at the mobile voice segment, the data volume particularly has compensated for the steep fall in the rate. That's what the management has said. Adoption of unlimited voice has bundled into an explosion of voice volumes with sequential volume minute growth at about 10.8%. But Avan, when it's free, volumes or the volume increase really does not count that much. Voice realization rate has sharply declined to 23% to about 16 paisa. Now let's come to the data front. That's the interesting one. Due to the past few months, the seed of digital revolution will be permanently transformed into a digital society. That's what they are saying. Today, they have witnessed a data usage per subscriber zoomed to about 703 MB. This is a total usage of 4742 MB during this particular quarter. I'm just trying to find the data ARPU, but that's
I'm just going through the segmental results. In terms of the overall segmental revenue, mobility has come in lower at about 6,311 crores versus 8,470 crores. You've got the international long distance, which is coming at about 158 crore rupees, and they've delivered a loss, and that too of about 1,028 crores in the mobility segment versus a profit of about 181 crore rupees last time around. So clearly, that has really hurt their numbers. Just going to walk you through some of the other important parameters for Idea Cellular. That the Q3 has been impacted by the IUC reduction, that is what the management is saying, and the sustained rate pressure as well as the consolidation in the industry. Overall subscriber base, as you said, at 203 million. The voice minutes grew, the highest in the last 30 quarters, to come in at 10.8%. The management has said that the lower rate for the international IUC only benefits foreign corporators. It's a setback for the company.
All telecom companies, the incumbents, have been blaming that cut, not just the international IUC, Avan, but the one in India, the interconnect usage charge as it goes. It's been cut down to about 6 paise. And, it's even Bharti Airtel has talked about there is a margin erosion which has taken place. Look at the EBITDA as well, coming in below street expectations. That's why you're seeing the stock also trading where it's at. What's important to note is that, in a couple of months' time, we will not know Idea Cellular as it is today. The company also confirming that its merger with Vodafone is on track. It should close in the first half of the calendar year to 2018. So it's either going to take place in the fourth quarter or in the first quarter of the new financial year.